This high-voltage lithium iron phosphate battery pack is composed of 96 energy-saving cells connected in series, with a nominal voltage of 372 volts, a full charge voltage of up to 354 volts, and a discharge cutoff voltage of about 240 volts. The battery pack is equipped with an active balancing BMS system, which can monitor and adjust the voltage of each individual cell in real time, effectively avoiding the imbalance between cells and improving the safety and service life of the entire battery pack. The capacity comprises three options: 280Ah,
312 amp hours and 330 amp hours,
corresponding to energy storage of approximately 86 kilowatt hours, 96 kilowatt hours, and 101 kilowatt hours respectively, which can meet the energy needs of different applications. This battery pack has the characteristics of long cycle life, high safety performance, and moderate energy density, and is widely used in electric vehicles such as buses, logistics vehicles, heavy trucks, large energy storage power stations, and commercial energy storage systems in new energy grid applications. It can provide users with efficient, stable, and reliable energy solutions.